Love working with these yellow Purdy pails for exterior cut and roll work. We are working on some upper trims where we are working with multiple substrates, and we're cutting and rolling some difficult access points. And this is a great cut bucket beyond just using a paint can. Very easy to accommodate two different types of applicators. You can see that we have the ability to use a micro roller or whiz roller and, put the paint down in there, and we got our ability to roll out right here. We have a spot to hook a roller handle to, and then we have a magnetized area where it will hold our brush right there. So very easy to go up and down a ladder. It has the handle here, which you can attach a pot hook to, which can hook to the ladder, and you have a very nice kind of ergonomic friendly handle here, so if you're not up on a ladder, you can carry this pail like this. Really awesome tool for exterior painting.